My name is Mary Jane, and I'm from Roseneath, Ontario. Wow, I'm so glad that I met Gabrielle. I finally found somebody to really inspire me, and she's inspired so many others. She's just more than an artist, but like a grandmother and a friend, all of instant friend, and just yeah, doing something very awesome and sharing her passion and making everyone, all of us, so passionate about what she's doing, and just being able to capture life and memories in an instant and to share it with the world. And that's what the world needs more of. It's a little bit more love and a little bit more Gabrielle's. Circumstances, just the way she accommodated me and my family to get me here and to make this weekend work out is amazing and unforgettable, and I'm so appreciative to her and her staff. And yeah, I would recommend this to anybody who's looking for a new direction, and to do any moms, especially who are looking to do something for themselves, because it's important, and Gabrielle realizes how, being a mom herself and a grandma, how important that is. So all I can say is just gigantic thank you.